Today I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on your remote keyless entry key fob for the Volkswagen. Now these type of flip keys will be that comes with your Volkswagen. Usually it's on those Passat, Golf, Jetta, Beetles. It's usually for the year model roughly like late 1990s to early 2000. So in order to replace the battery, what you're going to do first here is you're just going to press the button to switch the key out. And then if you notice here, there is a little notch in there, which you can use a flathead screwdriver. You're going to be able to stick it in between this little notch in here, and then you're going to spin it. So either flathead screwdriver or something flat. Let's see here. So just stick it in that little notch in there. And then you're just going to turn. There you go. Now once you turn it, it's going to pop open. Right there. And then all you're going to do is just gently pry it off right there. Now that you got that apart, all you're going to do is you can probably just use your hands, just separate the top from the bottom. So there's the button right there. That's top, that's the bottom. You're just going to pry it apart just like that. And here is the battery. So that one you can just use your fingernail just to pry it off. Which I'm having trouble doing here apparently. Okay, maybe I can use my fingernail here. Okay, so I just got a little pick, just pried it off there. So remember, it comes in this orientation. So the back is going to show you the battery size, which this is the CR2032. So now just get the new battery, place it in this orientation right here. Should snap right in. And we'll put the key back. You should be able to just sandwich it back together, just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. And here's the key, the top part. Should be able to just slide it right in, just like that. Okay, now that's popped back in. And if you press just the lock button, you should be able to see the light right there. So now you're done.